Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today our topic of discussion is female pelvis. Structure of the female pelvis, bony structure of the female pelvis. Female pelvis consists of three major bones. The name of these bones are two hip bones. One bone is sacrum, and one bone is coccyx. Bony structure of female pelvis consists of three bones, two hip bones, one sacrum and one coccyx. Now I am going to tell you the further details of hip bone. Hip bone consists of three parts. Hip bone consists of three parts. First part is ilium. Other part is ischium. Ilium, ischium, symphysis pubis. Hip bone consists of three bony parts: ilium, ischium and symphysis pubis. Now I am going to demonstrate the parts of the hip bone, sacrum and coccyx bone on the diagram which I have already drawn. This is a animated diagram of the female bony structure of the female pelvis. Clear? Now I am going to tell you the parts of the female hip bones. There are two hip bones in the female pelvis. Hip bone consists of three parts. Ilium, first part is named as ilium. You are watching this area, this expanded area. This expanded area is known as ilium. This expanded area is known as ilium. Ilium is the upper wide expanded area of the hip bone is known as ilium. Upper border of ilium, this lining, upper border of ilium is known as iliac crest. Upper border of the ilium bone is known as iliac crest. Clear? Ilium bone has two prominences. Ilium bone has two bony prominences. Here, one is here and other is here. This prominence is known as anterior superior iliac spine. Anterior superior iliac spine. Clear? This prominence is known as anterior inferior iliac spine. Superior, as name is clear, superior means upper and inferior means lower. This is the anterior view of the female bony pelvis. It is named as, this prominence is named as anterior superior iliac spine. This is known as anterior inferior iliac spine. Clear? Just like this anterior view, if the bone is looked from back side on the posterior view, posteriorly there will be present also posterior superior iliac spine and posterior inferior iliac spine. If the bony pelvis is viewed from the posterior side, this is anterior side, there will be also posterior superior and posterior inferior iliac spine. Clear? This expanded portion of the hip bone is known as ilium. Ilium is upper border known as iliac crest, and two prominences, anterior and inferior iliac spines. Clear? Anterior superior iliac spine, anterior inferior iliac spine. Now come towards the other part, ischium. Ischium. You people are looking this area, this part, look at this part of the hip bone. This whole is the hip bone. This area, this whole portion is known as hip bone. Now we are discussing the parts of hip bone. First we have discussed ilium. Now we are coming towards ischium. This part is known as ischium. This part is known as ischium. Ischium here, ischium has a prominence which is known as ischial tuberosity. Ischial tuberosity. This part of hip bone is known as ischium. Ischium has a prominence known as ischial tuberosity. Clear? Similarly, if we view the bone from the posterior side, here posteriorly in this area, ischium has spine-like structure, which is known as ischial spine. It is known as ischial spine from the posterior view. Clear? Now we have discussed ilium, ischium, and now we discuss about the third part of the hip bone, that is symphysis pubis. Look at this part of the bone. This whole is the hip bone. One hip bone is this and one is this. This part is known as pubis. This part is known as pubis. Right pubis and left pubis side. Clear? The point where the two bones meet, one this side and one this side, the point where two pubic bones meet is known as pubic symphysis. Pubic symphysis. Pubic symphysis. Clear? Now this pubis bone has two rami. This part is known as upper ramus. Upper ramus of pubis. Upper ramus of the pubis. And this part is known as, I am going to erase this part and this part is known as lower ramus of pubis. Lower ramus of pubis. Clear? This part is known as pubis. The part where the two bones are joined together known as symphysis pubis. And the pubis bone has two ramus, upper ramus of the pubis and lower ramus of the pubis. Now come towards this round portion. There is a round circle-like portion like this. It is known as obturator foramen. This circle-like portion is known as obturator foramen. Obturator foramen. This part, this circle rounded part is known as obturator foramen. Obturator foramen is made up of, now look the boundaries of the obturator foramen. It is formed by the symphysis pubis, superior, upper or lower rami of the ischium, of the upper and lower rami of the ileum and ischium bones. Clear? Now again listen. For obturator foramen is surrounded by, or boundaries of the obturator foramen includes epiphysis, superior and inferior rami of the pubis, and superior rami and inferior rami of the pubis, and ischium bone. These are the boundaries of the obturator foramen. Clear? Now, if we see the pelvis from behind or from the posterior view, there are two notches. There are two notches. Here, look here. There will one notch and there will one notch. This notch is known as greater sciatic notch. Greater sciatic notch, and this notch is known as lesser sciatic notch. Greater sciatic notch and lesser sciatic notch is visible on the behind or posterior view of the bony pelvis, female pelvis. Greater sciatic notch lies between posterior inferior iliac spine to ischial spine. It lies between posterior inferior iliac spine to ischial spine. Clear? And lesser sciatic notch lies between ischial spine and ischial tuberosity. Lesser sciatic notch lies between, this is ischial spine and ischial tuberosity. Clear? Now I want to erase this. Towards the other bone, which is known as sacrum. Sacrum. This bone structure, look at this bone structure. This part is known as sacrum. Sacrum. Look on the both sides of sacrum, there are hole-like structures. This bone is known as sacrum. This bony part is known as sacrum. Sacrum bone consists of sacral vertebrae. These vertebrae have hole-like structures on both sides. Through these holes, sacral nerves pass. Through these holes, sacral nerves pass. Clear? Now this structure, look at this bone. Last bone, it is known as coccyx. This bone is known as coccyx. Coccyx is the third bone of the female bony pelvis. During childbirth and during delivery, coccyx turns backward and helps in the birth of the baby. I think I am very much clear to this female bony pelvis. If you like my video lesson, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.